Guys, to a new a strategy or a tactic, if you want to call it that I learned from Dean Jackson. He's a marketing expert, and we call it the 9-word email, and Marcus is going to demonstrate exactly how it worked for us. So tell me about the client without using names, what exactly situation you were in.
Okay, so the client that I was reaching out to, I drafted a quote for her.
Okay.
Sent it to her. She never responded back, so
Well, you talked maybe how many times before she kind of stopped responding to us?
I've talked to her, well, 2 or 3 times.
Okay.
I've talked to her through trying to get a hold of her from the phone or the email, and now I sent the 9-word email.
Okay, so what is the 9-word email? Can you describe it?
The 9-word email is what it is. It's a 9-word email, and it goes something like, "Are you still considering this quote?" And then send the quote. So I sent it to her.
Okay.
And not even 2 minutes later, I get a response. I haven't opened up the email yet. Should I open it up and read it to y'all? See what she says?
Let's check it out.
All right, let's see what she says.
Now, just so you guys know, the 9-word email doesn't guarantee a sale, but it does almost always get some sort of a response. So let's see what happened.
So she responded back. She said, "No, thank you."
Okay, so now that's a kind of unfortunate and it's not positive, but now we know that we have lots of people in our pipeline, so we're just gonna move on. We can come back, follow up a little bit later and try again, but for now we're not gonna waste too much time on this lead because it's kind of went a little cold on us. We're gonna keep it in the sales process, but immediately we're gonna focus on something else where we have a little more of an option. So the 9-word email, basically you put in the subject line the client's name only, and then you put something really simple, technically supposed to be 9 words, but doesn't have to be exact, but you say something real simple. Are you still considering this quote? Are you still considering this order? Question mark. And what it does is it piques their interest. They open it because it has their name in the subject line. It's a super simple question. They don't have to think about it. They can either say yes or no, at which point you can follow up accordingly. So that's the 9-word email in action. And again, I did not develop this on my own. I learned it from Dean Jackson. If you guys are interested, check out I Love Marketing. But yeah, that's the 9-word email demonstrated by Marcus Beverly.
And it only took 2 minutes for her to respond back, so that's...
So she was cold since the 13th, and it's the 21st, so almost 10 days without a response. We sent the 9-word email and got one back in about 2 minutes. So just proof that it does work. All right, thanks for watching.